Well, here we have the Mark III version of the Kuwee USB Bluetooth keyboard mouse adapter thingy, and it's all set up here for testing. So as before, it's in three parts. You've got the head unit, which is the display unit that has the Bluetooth board in it, and it is now hardwired down to the middle box, the link box, which has the switches and the RJ45 Ethernet cable, which goes down further. So this will be mounted under the chair control area. There are three cutouts, one there, and then one on the back if you need to move the cable around. And I have reoriented those cutouts so it's actually easier to do now. So that's a possibility. And the middle box is pretty much the same. I shrunk it down slightly. The switch is moved a little bit over, but other than that, it's the same. So you have the RJ45 Ethernet connection, which goes down to the base. That's for power and the mouse and keyboard. And then you have the two switches. The switch closest to the RJ45 is the toggle for power, and then the other one alternates between the 8 different devices on the Bluetooth. The switch in the middle is, if you put it in the middle, it's completely off. If you slide it toward the RJ45, it's always on. And if you slide it away from there toward the switch ports, then it will rely on an external toggle switch to turn on and off. Again, I've put cutouts on 3 sides for the RJ45, the Ethernet cable, and it's relatively easy to shift the cable around if you want it to come out to one of the other sides. So that's been made easier. The base unit is exactly the same as before. You have power coming in, you have the Ethernet cable which goes up to the link unit, and then you have ports for the keyboard and mouse. So right now I have a little trackpad plugged into here. I've got a button for toggling Bluetooth devices. I've got a toggle button, on-off button for power, and I have it hooked into my phone. And as you can see, as I move that, it moves. Hooray, which is good. So it looks like this is all put together, and I will be getting it in the mail shortly.